The best flower in the world is so a cat, a bubble, a bubble. It was big, very, very big. But what? The wind blew it away. The bubble went by a baby in a white hat. Girl, said the baby, what a big bubble. The bubble went by a truck selling ice cream. Said the man, said the little boy, what a big bubble. The bubble went over some tree. Woof, said the dog, what a big bubble. The bubble went by a pool. Wow, said the girl in the green tiger, what a big bubble. The bubble went by a man. Gosh, said the man in a boat, what a big bubble. The bubble went by a farm. Moo, said the cow, what a big bubble. Then the wind went the other way. So the bubble went the other way too. Past the cow, the man, the girl, the dog, the boy, and the baby. The bubble went the other way. The bubble went the other way too. The bubble went the house.
Went back to
house. Bubble went to house.
The bubble went back all the way. Okay. Mẹ xin lỗi, cứ đọc tiếp đi, đọc hay lắm. Hay lắm. Ok.
Chừng một hồi nhắc con nhé.